experiencing issues with your iPhone's Wi Fi, cellular data, or Bluetooth connections. Sometimes resetting your network settings can be the most effective way to resolve these problems. This process will revert all your network configurations back to their original defaults. In this video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to restore the network defaults on your iPhone, specifically if you're running iOS 18 or a later version. Let's get started. First, locate and launch the Settings app on your iPhone. This is usually the gray gear icon on your home screen. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled General and tap on it. Within the General settings, scroll all the way to the bottom of the list. Here you'll find Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on this option. On the next screen, you'll see a few options. Select Reset. Now, you'll be presented with different reset options. To proceed, tap on Reset Network Settings. You will now be prompted to enter your device passcode. Go ahead and enter it. Before the reset begins, your iPhone will display a warning prompt confirming your action. Carefully read this prompt, and if you're ready to proceed, tap on Reset Network Settings again to confirm. The network reset will now begin. This process is usually quite quick. Once it's complete, all your network defaults will be restored. Keep in mind that this means you will need to re-enter your Wi-Fi passwords and repair any Bluetooth devices you were previously connected to, just like the first time you set them up. Importantly, this reset does not affect any of your personal data. Your apps, photos, videos, and other files will remain safe and untouched. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully restored the network defaults on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later. Hopefully, this has resolved any connectivity issues you were experiencing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more useful smartphone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.